Uzo, it's your boy again, Chris Paterna, and I'm gonna show you some of my awesome Pokemon toys, brothers. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, here I'm gonna show you this thing. Got this wide lens, Jirachi, just on my cards, and these Dunsparce, Halucha, Meowth. Special energy or the double dragon energy, a switch, Unfezant, Altaria, Revive, Wingull, Zapdos, Electrode, Dragonair, Bagon again, Latios, Spiritomb, Skyfield, Dratini, Steven, Strainer, Pelipper, Wingull, Gligar, Dratini, Dragonite, and Kevlar. So I'm gonna show you the Pokeball that I made, and this Pokeball you can open it, and my three Pokemon. This is Charizard, Pikachu, Tepig. That's all for today. Bye.